Hi, Scorpio, Sun, and Rising. So before we start, I do want to mention that yes, I am available for private readings. And for more information on my services, please go to my website, firemoonalchemy.com. And if you are enjoying this content and find the messages helpful, I would appreciate your giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, and the feedback would sure help me out a lot. Okay, that being said, let's get to the messages. So Scorpio, for sure, you have an interesting combination of cards this month. The Oracle card, You've Done Nothing Wrong, and the Major Arcana card, the Devil. Now, the message on your Oracle card reads, You've done nothing wrong, number 68. Whatever has taken place was out of your control and out of your hands. This card asks you to let go of any feelings of guilt or personal blame. This was not your fault. You've done nothing wrong. Okay, very interesting here. A little bit intense, but I'm reading for my Scorpios, so no surprise there. So the Devil card in a reading often represents temptation, materialism, and the shadows within us. As June progresses, the sun's movement through Gemini and into Cancer will light up your 8th house of transformation and shared resources before it transitions into your 9th house of higher learning and philosophies later in the month. So even your astrological transits are pretty intense this month. So Scorpio this month is going to be about acknowledging and confronting your inner shadows. Now, the Devil card in a reading is a significant wake-up call that urges you to examine the areas of your life where you feel trapped or bound by unhealthy patterns. It's an invitation to take the steps needed to break free from addictions, negative behaviors, or limiting beliefs. So Scorpio, have you been feeling a sense of guilt or self-doubt? The You've Done Nothing Oracle card reassures you that self-forgiveness and acceptance are essential steps toward healing and is your key to lifting the heavy burdens that weigh you down and or prevent you from living up to your fullest potential, right? Take note of the chains that are around the character's neck in this card. Now, your Oracle card is number 68, which adds up to number 14. Now, this corresponds to the Temperance Tarot card in the Major Arcana. Temperance signifies the need for balance and moderation. It encourages you to find harmony within yourself and your surroundings. In my client readings, the appearance of this card often indicates a time of spiritual transformation and divine guidance. Now, it's interesting as this card has made its appearance in your reading, as it is the card that precedes the Devil in the tarot deck. It's number 14, and then the Devil card is number 15. So you are being reminded to practice patience and self-control. Now, for you, Scorpio, I am picking up that around mid-month, you may find yourself in a circumstance that tests your resolve, but maintaining a balanced approach on all levels, mind, body, and spirit, will help you remain intact as you navigate this challenge. Remember to breathe. I'm getting that a lot of you hold your breath when you get stressed. And refrain from communicating before you've had a chance to organize your thoughts. So if need be, you might want to remove yourself from the situation, take a step back, just so that you can, regroup and calm down before responding or communicating. And these tips should help you immensely to remain intact should something come up, and will allow you to come out on the other side of whatever this is for you better and wiser than you were before. Now, the full moon in Capricorn on June 21st will illuminate your 3rd house of communication and local community. This is interesting as the Devil tarot card represents the sign of Capricorn in the Tarot Major Arcana. So here we are again with these symbolism. So this period around the full moon may hold a particular significance for you. So this lunar energy in your third house illuminates an invitation to address issues related to your interactions with others, and your immediate environment. And these other people would be in your immediate environment as well. Capricorn's disciplined and determined energy will help you confront and resolve any lingering conflicts or misunderstandings. It's a time to assert your boundaries and communicate your needs clearly and effectively. Now, later in the month, when the sun transitions into your ninth house, you'll feel a shift towards seeking higher knowledge and expanding your horizons. You might be feeling quite spiritual here as well. The transformative work that you've done earlier in the month will pave the way for personal growth and new perspectives. You're going to feel the chains loosen as you enjoy the freedom to pursue your passions and explore new opportunities with confidence. Now, whether through travel, education, or spiritual pursuits, June is a powerful month for you that offers you the chance to broaden your understanding of your external world as well as your place in it. So Scorpio, your astrology and tarot cards show that this is quite an intense month for you. But by facing your shadows and embracing the qualities of self-acceptance, you can transform internal as well as external challenges into profound opportunities for growth. Be clear in your communications and also let go of negative thoughts and emotions that cause downward spirals. I was literally told to use that term, downward spirals. Stay balanced and grounded by diluting your energy, or if you've been very intensely focused on something here, by participating in multiple activities. You want to dilute this energy a little bit. So try spending time with your partner, going out in nature, journaling, being around animals, gentle exercise. You might want to consider taking a short trip or traveling, take a course or a class, and maybe even just trying something new. And I think you get the idea of where I'm going here. And remember, you've done nothing wrong. So if need be, scheduling a session or two with a professional consultant or confiding in a wise, trusted friend or relative may help you work this out a little bit, as it will help you see things through a different perspective. So in June, Scorpio, you've got the opportunity to settle some debts and make peace with yourself and others. Your transformation will reveal the best parts of you that have been waiting to come out of the shadows for a while now. And you'll find that when you are aligned internally, that your external world will reflect this harmonious balance as well. Okay, Scorpio, this is a pretty intense reading here for you this month. I hope you found the messages helpful. I love you, Scorpio, and I know you are going to do great in the month of June.